Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick explanation on how you can use the Stay in Drawing Mode tool on TradingView. This is useful when you want to draw multiple trend lines, channels, or patterns without reselecting the tool each time. So once you're on your TradingView dashboard, you will just have to select the chart of your choice, and then you will basically just have to, okay, so click full chart, which is right here, and then once you're here, you will go to your toolbar, which is on the left panel of your screen, and then you will just basically have to click trend line, which is right here. And what you will have to do is drag a trend line on your chart in order for you to go to your settings. So once you're here, what you will have to do is just click settings, and then here, from here, you should see the stay in drawing mode option somewhere right here, but it really depends on the version that you have, if you do have that option. But anyway, once you see that option, you will just have to enable it, and then once you enable that option, you can now draw multiple items without reselecting. And yeah, you can just draw trend lines, channels, or support or resistance zones efficiently. And yeah, and if you want to disable it, you will just have to do the same thing by going to your settings and by unchecking the stay in drawing mode option. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.